Hi everyone, this is the Aeneid, Book 6, lines 888 through 899. Aeneas had met Anchises in the underworld, and now Aeneas is going to come back up to the mortal world. So before we get started, just to note that some main verbs are bolded and some direct objects are italicized, just to make it a little easier. Alright, so afterwards, Anchises led his son through each place, and he inflamed his mind with the love of the coming fame. Next, he told the wars which then must be waged to the man, dative of agent, and then he taught him about the people of Laurentum and the city of Latinus. And then Laurentum here is a city near Rome. Okay, and with what manner, quo modo here, this is an example of a temesis, and that is the separation into two parts of a word normally written as one. So quumque just gets in the middle of quo modo. And with what manner and with whom he shall flee, and what labor he shall bear. And these are subjunctives in an indirect question. So there are a lot of adjective noun pairs here, so I highlighted in the same color what goes together. Okay, so there are twin gates of sleep, and then here sleep is personified, and then one of which is said to be of horn, by which qua an easy exit is given to true shades. And then altera here is translated as one, and then another, or the other. So the other gate, having been finished, glistening with white ivory, but the spirits of the underworld, manes, send forth false dreams to the heavens. So there, Anchises led, watch out, this is a deponent verb, it's not translated in the passive voice. So led his son and the Sibyl together, with these things having been said, and sent them out from the gate of ivory. And then Illa here is referring to Aeneas. He cut a path to the ships and revisited the allies or comrades. So this was the Aeneid, Book 6, lines 888 through 899. I hope you enjoyed.